Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. $1.99, I believe they were in Aldi's or Lidl, one of them. And so I think they have it in here. Yeah, I don't see it, but any one of the store, either Aldi or Lidl. So they were $1.99. This little carton. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out and take out all the bad ones and throw it, and then the rest of it I'll wash it in cold water, and then I'll put it in Ziploc bags and just freeze it in the freezer section, and that's it, and it will stay good for a long time. But if you just stick it in the fridge just like this, it will not last even a week. You will see a lot of fungus. So this is how you can keep strawberries and blueberries or raspberry or blackberry, any kind of berries, for a long time. And once I froze grapes, and they were really amazing. Have you ever tasted frozen cherries or grapes? You just bring them and wash them and take out the top twig or anything like that, and then just put it in Ziploc bags and freeze it, and they stay really good. So yeah, and bananas, I was so shocked, I kept the bananas outside and they get really rotten. So what I do is I peel out the bananas and I cut into little square pieces. Just you can just cut lengthwise, circle, and then put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. And then when you make your smoothie, they're just so amazing. Like they stay white and they stay good. So yeah, you can literally freeze anything, everything, and keep it for future use. But do remember that freezing, we lose the nutrition, but then we don't have the option to go out to the market all the time and get it. So yeah, we could use it when we see it in sale, buy it large amount, and if you have a big freezer, you can freeze it and you can use for longer periods of time. So thank you so much. So this is how you can freeze the blueberries in the freezer. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.